So I needed to get some new Christmas socks for this year, and I decided to get this pack right here. You can see it's got the white, the greens, and the reds. So let's get them open and take a closer look at them right here. Just comes in a simple bag, so really easy to open up. And I can tell you right away that they're super, super soft. They have a great texture to them. They feel really high quality, and I'm really appreciating that already. But let's get a closer look at each one. So here is the red one right here. You can see they're pretty big socks. Like if I put my arm in it, it easily goes down over my elbow, almost down to my shoulder. So you're gonna be able to fit a lot of candies in here, a lot of stocking stuffers in here. You can see it's extra wide too. I could probably get both of my arms in here. You can see that they both fit like that. So there's plenty of room inside this thing. And just to give you a little bit closer look at it, you'll see that on the inside, there's actually this little hook that you can use to hang it up. And then it has this hem right here that actually just folds up like this, and you can fold it back down. So that's pretty nice. It's nice and stylish. I like the patterning in this. You can see it's got kind of like some twisted crochet stuff going on right here. And on the front here, kind of a little different pattern, but still in the same theme. And I imagine that all of the socks have the same kind of patterns, but let's just check real quick. Here is the green one. It looks like it has pretty much the same pattern as the red one on that side, as well as on this side, the same hem, the same strap right there. So let's take a guess here and say that the white one's going to have the exact same thing. Now, I don't know if this is actually just a pure white either. It could be like a cream white or a soft white or an eggshell white, however you want to put it. Either way, it's definitely not just like a pure white, but let me get one of each here so you can see the red, the green, and the white all together. I think they look really cool. They look really nice because obviously the red and the green is the Christmas colors, and the white kind of adds like a snowy ambiance. So I think it looks really cool, especially if you hang them up like this, red, green, white, or something like that. Mix it up a little bit so you can see all the different ways that you could do it. But really nice Christmas socks. I'm excited for these. I think you'll like them too. And here's just a quick look at how they appear when they're hanging up. I don't really have a campfire or anything to put them over top of, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how they look when they're hanging. I think they look really nice, they look really stable, and they look really cool all together. So really appreciate these Christmas stockings.